Dinkum Drawing.
G'day YouTube, welcome back to Dinkum Drawing. Today I'm going to be colouring this whale, but first I'm going to show you how to draw it step by step so you can follow along and draw it with me. First I take my lead pencil or pacer and I draw a circle. I find drawing with pencil first to create an outline really helps because if I make a mistake I can always erase it and try again. Once I've drawn my circle, like so, I just draw a little curve here which will then create the base for the tail. So draw along there, and now I'll draw up and back down to create half of the tail. Once I've done that, I'll just repeat it again, facing downwards, and that will be the other half of the tail. Now I'm going to connect it down with another curved line and connect it to the body, and that will be the shape of my whale. I'm now going to draw a line down this way and back up here to create a little fin. Now to create a smiley face on our whale, I'm just going to draw a line across down, again connecting it to the body to create a smiley face. Now we need an eye, so to draw an eye I'm just going to start with a big circle and then I'm going to put two smaller circles inside to create a cute cartoon look and to be the reflection in his eye. Now all whales have a little blowhole, so I'll add that at the top, and now I'm going to draw some water spraying out. Just two round shapes like this, and that looks like some water spraying out. There's our whale. I think he looks really cute. Now it's time to start the black outline. So now just taking my black marker, I'm going to start outlining the eye. So again, just trace that circle and now go back in and trace around the smaller circles. Once that's done, I'm going to move on to the body. I'm going to start up on the top of his head, tracing along down to his smiley face, just putting in that little mouth. And now drawing down to his fin. And now taking the line up to his tail. Now I'm going to go back to the top of his head, bring that line down, and finish the line all the way to his tail again. Now I'm going to trace around his tail. And there's our little whale. Add the water, and now I'm going to colour in his eye. Now that that outline's done, I'm just going to quickly go over it with an eraser to take away any pencil lines, and we'll be left with just the black outline, ready to be coloured in. And then we have our little whale. I think he looks so cute. Now for the fun part, let's colour him in. And there you have it, our whale is completely coloured in. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you've drawn along with this video, I would love if you could share your picture on Instagram and tag Dinkum Drawing so I can check it out. Until next time!